You just got a new electric hedge trimmer. I'm so excited for you, but now I'm going to burst your bubble. I think they're more work because you're shaping them into a ball. You have to focus on that, how to do it. It's hard, actually. It's like a skill. Then you worry about the shape. Then you go around and no. Okay. Then it makes this dense growth on the outside. So there's not much in here, right? So then it gets dark because it's dense. Then you have to worry about, oh, how am I going to deal with this? Then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So then it's like, all right, I got to get it down. So you can either blow it down one fell swoop, bring it lower, or you can cut in windows, take it gradually. So you just take handfuls, cut it, let the sun get in, and then go back later. The thing is you have new growth in here. You have a beautiful new shrub here that I think. I would cut all the way down here on all of the branches, hide the cuts, let this be your new shrub, all of that, and then you don't have to touch it for another few years.